So today we
painted
paintings. Oh, this is pretty.
Arts and crafts in the doghouse.
Yeah, that's what we did. Paw print paintings.
We had all 8 dogs come out and walk across the canvases to make these 2 beautiful pieces of art here in order to raise some money for the Mr. Mo project.
And every dog was a different color. And they picked their colors the best they could.
Dave was yellow.
Because he's happy. And he makes me happy.
Happy sometimes.
Dave! Which color do you want to be? You gotta stop somewhere. Okay.
We had to pick them up, put their paws in the paint, and then try to walk them over the canvases.
This is gonna be a work of art.
Meatball was a bat out of hell on them.
We had to dodge dirt.
Dodge dirt
Bugs.
flying.
Lots of bugs here. So many bugs.
Her legs are so wide. Go! Go!
Come on, Woody. Come on, Woody. Good boy. Go, Woody. Now that's just dirt, honey. So we have 2 original paintings by the stars of life in the doghouse. They are stars, let's admit it. It's really unique. Original
Fun
doghouse
art. So we made the paintings to raise money for the Mr. Mo project by auctioning them off. We are going to use the money to go into the Mr. Mo project to help save senior dogs. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to check out our previous episode of Life in the Doghouse.
And head on over to Gremlin's Facebook page and put in your bid on these 2 beautiful pieces of art.
Thanks. Dave, did you like painting? Did you like painting? Yeah. Do you want to paint some more? Is that your hidden talent, Dave? Painting?